Hey everyone, welcome back to the video series on Postman. Today we are going to talk about the API network and templates which are present in Postman, right? So this is one central location or central place where both the API consumers and developers can easily explore, share, or use different APIs within the community, right? So how you can access them? Directly click on this new button, and there, instead of creating any new building block, directly go to the templates or API network, right? So this is the place where different community members can share their API documentation along with the templates, which are categorized into different business areas, right? So there are cloud applications, cloud API, communications API, data management. So almost any any business area you will find uh, open API along with the documentation and templates. So these are categorized. There are thousands of different open APIs. So if you want to get started with some API which you want to learn, or you just want to know more about that API, how it works, what are the different requests which you can use. So API network is a great place to start, right? Similarly, we have a templates section, right? So there are thousands of templates which you can use to get started with that particular API. You can build upon that template and create your own requests and change the parameters and data accordingly, right? So how do you use this, right? These APIs. So let's select some API here, like the Twitter API, right? So this is the official Twitter collection, right? And they have provided us with two kind of APIs, which is API version 2 and the developer labs. Now they have provided this because you can use them to directly get started with Twitter. Instead of you starting from scratch, you can use these templates as building blocks to develop your API on Twitter, right? So either you can view the documentation on the web provided by Postman, right? So here you will find all the information related to the Twitter API and the different requests which are present in the API, right? So if you want to open one single GET request, so the URL, the endpoint URL is present here. You just need to provide the authorization, which is the ID, which is passed as a path variable. So once it's present, you can then directly send this request and get the response, right? So simple and easy. Now, apart from this documentation, if you want to run this in Postman, so that integration is also present, right? You can import this collection into your own Postman workspace. So once you click on run in Postman, it will then automatically import your Twitter API collection, right? So as you can see, my collection is already created here. I have all the API requests, right? So once I get my API keys, I can start working on this request directly. So I don't need to create any requests on my own looking at the Twitter API documentation, right? So this is how simple it is to get started with any API which you are trying to work on. So let's have a look at another API template with this time, right? So here, if I go for, I mean, there are thousands of templates. Let me start with this COVID-19 API, right? So that's one of the most popular topics right now going on. So let's see how we can utilize this template to get started with this API. Okay, so I'm going to again import this collection into my Postman, and that's imported here, right? Click on a get request. These are general stats. So luckily this doesn't require any authorization, so we can directly run this get request. And it gives us the response in the form of data, right? So how many cases, COVID cases are present around the world, and all the other information, right? Similarly, you can also pull out the country stats. So it will return you all the different countries' statistics regarding the COVID API. So that's one of the interesting APIs, right? I wanted to work on it. So that's how you can easily import a template and start working on it, right? Now, these are sample requests, and you can build your own request based on these sample requests, right? So that's why the template is present. And if you look at the API network, the API, this is the official Twitter API, and it has got all the requests. So basically you can use them directly in Postman, and you don't need to start from scratch, right? So pretty simple, but pretty useful if you are getting started with Postman and you are looking to work with different APIs. This is a great starting point, where you can look for you can get access to thousands of different APIs and start working on them in a matter of minutes, right? So I hope this video was useful for you. If you found this interesting, then please like and share along, and also subscribe to our channel QA Script. You will find many similar videos on different automation tools and topics. So don't forget to subscribe and visit our channel. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next video.